All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We will get started here in just a few minutes. All right. So let's go ahead and get this started while we wait for the morning bell. We can close that out. Close that out. All right. So we are currently sitting with an unrealized profit of $291. Last week was not a very good week for the market, at least not for us. We had one that got stopped out at $97 down. So that basically brought our overall realized profit down a little bit. But as you can see, we're recovering. Um, we'll take a look here in a second to see where that's going to close out at. Looks like it's going to fluctuate around the 285 mark this morning. So let's look at all of our positions, starting from the best. Okay, so we've got Shopify. We kind of expected that because the shopping weekend for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Black Friday and all that stuff was in the news, was very good. So let's see where we're at. We're at 72.59. We're going to take profit at 75. So we've still got a ways to go. But as you can see, we've come up quite a bit. We were under our purchase mark, and now we are above it. Moving down the list, we got Spotify, 181. That's got $6 left before it'll close out. 38.84, $2, roughly a dollar. Nope, $2.08. CRM 225, 55. It's going to keep doing this every time. So let's just do this. $3. That one's about $2 away from stopping out. 29.98. Wow, this one's like 11 cents. Yeah, 11 cents away. So that one's getting ready to close. I don't believe it's a very big amount though. I think we're currently, yeah, we're like $3, so that's not a very big one. This is 91, 95, so $4 roughly 45 cents, 30 cents actually. Still got a little ways to go, but as you can see, there was a dip and we recovered. AZEK, here's AZEK again. 134.71. $3, $4, for $6, $2. I don't see anything really close other than that one. Possible stop outs? No, no, no. Maybe. No, no. Looks like we're in really good shape. Take a look at our big movers. Last 24-hour, I don't see any movement. Okay, there's 4 cents, 60 cents. Yep, 60 cents per share movement, so that should be pretty good. 71 cents for Ross Department Stores. $2.32 for Shopify. So yeah, that's definitely something we expected. I have a feeling that's going to be really good this morning. 75. I don't know if it's going to come up $3, but it'd have to move a lot to come up $3. But still, I think we're going to get close to our take profit point. $2.35, all Shopify. All right, so that looks good. Let's take a look at transactions. What the heck's going on? Okay, daily balances has dropped a little bit. There's been some movement in pre-market. Let's take a look over here. CBay has had some nice movement. It's gone up about 30 cents since pre-market. C&M, looking good. KKR, a nice bullish engulfing candle. APO, another bullish engulfing candle. We don't have far to go. There was a bearish engulfing candle prior to that. Got ways to go on Datadog. That's looking good. Expect a retracement here fairly shortly. Another bullish engulfing candle. Got a ways to go on that one, but it's looking really good. UNP, that's still looking good. XPO, looks like we got below our purchase amount and we came right back above it a little bit. Spotify, nice bullish engulfing candle. So I expect some of these to close out here within the next couple days. Like that one. These aren't our big movers though. This one was pre-market was 224.99 and now it's at 224.38, so it's dropped 60 cents. Another bullish engulfing. Not much, not a big one, but another pre-market drop. Even though that one showing a bullish engulfing, so it looks like it's in bullish, but it's funny, it's open prices are lower than its, or I mean, close prices are lower than its open prices. So they're bearish candles, but they're still going up. I wonder if that is going to hint at a reversal. No, we still got higher lows. Not yet. Looks like there's news on JP Morgan. DraftKings. Okay. We got a bullish or a bearish engulfing candle. I'm not too worried about it though. The volume on this one's a lot bigger than that one. Still looks good. Uber. Yeah, ways to go before we're stopped out on that one. Iron Mountain Incorporated. Pre-market 63.21, and it's sitting at 63.21. We bought it at 63.51. All right, so we got some upward movement here since pre-market. About 60 cents net. Some more bullish movements. Then we get to the big one, Shopify. Yeah, pre-market 72.35, currently 70.35. So, we've had some drop. A lot of people liquidating their positions. Taking profit while they can. But we're not, because my algorithm does everything. It finds, it buys, it monitors, and it sells, and then it also sends you reports monthly and weekly. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of those reports that it sent last week. Where was it? All right. All right, here we go. So this is last week's report. Total deposited to trade account is $30,000. Total profit this week, we made negative 193 going into Thanksgiving and Black Friday. And then total purchase this week, we purchased $44,513 worth. And we sold $12,447 worth. The value of the current open transactions when this report came out was $32,075.41. The total invested in open transactions at the time of this report was $31,872.45. So as you can see, there was an unrealized profit of $202.96. The realized profit was still negative 193, and the cash available for new positions looks like we were using a little bit of margin. Current profit value of unrealized, if the realized and the unrealized were put together, it's $9.63. The account value, if we were to have closed out on Friday, would have been $30,009.63. Purchase securities, all the lists here, and sold securities. And as you can see, we had a $57 loss on that one. Stopped out at 2%. $98 loss on that one. Stopped out at 3.5%. $13 gain, $12 gain, $3.48 loss. Stopped out at 1.75%. Negative $6.32. Stopped out at roughly 3%. negative $2.38. Stopped out at negative 1, or stopped out at 1.2%. $4 stopped out at. So a lot of these stop outs are occurring because it's getting rid of the positions that are going to be going bearish from the start. So these values you're seeing here aren't going to be anything compared to what we actually gain on the positions that are going bullish from the start. As long as there isn't any reversals, divergences, we should be all right. I believe I'm still doing this. Yep. I don't think Sessions is going to allow me to do this, but I'll try it. Nope, it did not. So this is our other account. This is the non-day trade account. Currently unrealized $7.33 with a realized of negative 12. So what we can do here, looking at these positions, $6.60 on that one. Still got $3 to go. That's Shopify. It's probably doing a lot better this morning. Transactions for this one. Okay, so it looks like we made, nope, that's still open. There's $6 down, $5 down. So it looks like two positions have been closed. Yep, two positions. So this just goes to show you that you can you can use this application as a day trading application as well as a non-day trading application. I'm still working on possibly maybe running off the 15-minute charts for the day trading people, but I haven't implemented that yet. Pretty much right now it's a swing trading application. Well, that can't really be true because it still closes out positions the same day. All right, what time is it? Got 9 minutes before the bell. All right, I'm gonna go get some more coffee and I will be right back. All right, we're back. And before I forget, this stream brought to you by Dubby. If you like energy drinks that don't have the give you the jitters or any kind of crashes, check them out at www.dubby.com. Or you can use the affiliate link in the about section of this video. I do get a little bit of a kickback if you decide to buy through there, so you can if you want to. You don't have to. I would greatly appreciate it though. But check them out. I've actually had their energy drink and it's very good. I like their dragon fruit or dragon punch, I think it is called. I don't know if you can just click on that Dubby link above my head there or not, but if not, check out the affiliate link in the about section. Okay. So I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. We didn't do much. Christy and I just stayed home. We did have the little one over. She's growing quick. She just came out of the hospital too. All right. It's like waiting on a Christmas morning. 3 minutes. Be nice to see how the market's going to react this morning. I think it's going to be all right. If Shopify is any indicator, oh, wait a second. This is pre-market, so this is where it's going to open at. Wow. 72.41. So we'll be halfway to our take profit point. And if we've made $129 halfway, we should make about 300 when this closes out. Have you been have you been paying attention to Doge? Let's see how Doge is doing this morning. Up 0.61%. I think we bought in at 0.8. I think it was. Definitely a 97% buy forecast. Just a meme coin. Of course, from what I hear, it might actually have some utility to it. One minute. 1 minute till the market bell. All right, let's go see how it's going to be. Ooh, nice start. And just remember, you don't have to be sitting in front of the dashboards or anything like that. This application does everything for you. Like I said, it finds, it buys, it monitors, and it sells. So, and then it sends you reports. I just like to do my live broadcasts and show you the action live, obviously. Um, but yeah, it's a completely hands-off, set it and forget it app. Of course, if you decide that you want to get rid of a position early, you can always go to the Open Positions tab and you can close out that position early just by clicking this. It has to obviously be during market hours, but that gives you the ability to cancel or close a position early if you decide you want to. You can also manually trade at your alpaca.markets trade account on their dashboard, and this won't monitor or do anything with that. It will just only the positions that this buys is the one are the ones that it will monitor for you. Why is it not? Damn it, I hate it when it does that. That's interesting. Okay, so I gotta figure out why it's not actually starting to keep track of financial data until 7 minutes after. Ooh, that looks good. And some of them, it's not even doing it. Hmm. I know what's going on. Okay, so we'll do this. It's crazy. You try to use concurrent futures and messes things up. I'll just go back to multi-threading, multi-processing. Oh. I thought concurrent futures was going to make it a little bit quicker, but it did not. Today's the 27th? Oh, it is the 27th. So why is this one working and the others are not? Okay, well, that's one less thing I have to do. This looks to be shaping up really well this morning. Didn't show up. Oh my God, that's what's happening. Jeez. Current.futures does not work. Okay, I know what's going on now. Process, pool. Thread pool executor. Let's go back to shoot. Okay, so now we don't have a balance for the 27th yet. So let's do that. Damn it. Unread result. There it is. Okay, so he's got his. He's got his. He's got his. Only person that doesn't is me. Yep, okay. That's easy enough. Oh, boy, bam. There it is. Oh, we're doing really good today. All right, and we are at our half hour past the bell. So that is going to do it for my stream today. Remember to check out MTT, their Facebook page, Master Trade Tools LLC. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and you'll be notified when we make new videos. Remember, the Auto Trader is a fully automated algorithmic stock trading uh, application, and it finds, buys, monitors, sells, and then sends you reports. weekly and monthly. There's really isn't anything you have to be doing. You can if you want, you don't have to, but this was designed for those that have busy lives and don't have time to do the research required for making good financial decisions for investment. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until tomorrow, actually, I don't know if I'm going to do a video every day. Um, I might do one like every other day, but just let me know what you think. If you want me to do one every day, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm probably just going to go to doing maybe every other day, maybe every 3 days, or maybe even just once a week. So that way you can see the how the market reacted with our application for that week. Um, but until then, I'll catch you later.